In this video, I am going to show you how to install WordPress on Addon domain in Namecheap. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to connect our domain with Namecheap. Just go to your domain panel and here you will see all the domains. Now next to your domain name, just click on this drop down and then select manage. Now scroll down to name servers and from here select custom name servers. Now copy Namecheap name servers. Paste them here and after that just click on this save button, and in this way your domain will be pointed to Namecheap. And now we are going to set up the add-on domain from the Namecheap cPanel. Just click on hosting list and here you will see your hosting plan. Next to your hosting plan you will see this drop down. Just click on it and after that just select go to cPanel. And in this way we will be redirected to our Namecheap hosting cPanel. Now from the Namecheap cPanel just scroll down to domains section. So here it is, and after that we are going to select domains from here. Now from the top just click on create a new domain. After that just paste your domain name here and then click on submit, and in this way your add-on domain will be created. Now let's see how we can install WordPress on our add-on domain. From the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to software section and after that just click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Now click on install. Now at first we are going to select our add-on domain from here. If SSL is installed for your add-on domain, then you can select HTTPS from here, and after that we are going to scroll down and set up our admin account. We are going to enter our admin username, admin password and then admin email. Now scroll down from here. If you do not want to install any of these plugins, then uncheck these plugins. Don't worry about these plugins, you can easily install these plugins from the WordPress dashboard. After that just scroll down to the bottom and then click on install, and in this way WordPress will be installed on your add-on domain. So this is how you can install WordPress on your add-on domain in Namecheap. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video.